Hi over there and welcome to my channel. Yet again I'm doing a Birchbox unboxing. Basically I really want to unbox this because it has been sitting across the other boxes for a week and it really annoys me when I can't open it because I really want to film this and be like surprised and like, you know, have like the first in real life impression because it's still boxed. And for some reason I do not remember, you usually have to choose between two products of the same range. So let's say two different shades of highlighter, you choose one and you'll find it in your box. I genuinely do not remember like either it was like a highlighter or a blush, but I'm not quite sure. But I mean, we'll see, because literally I've been a mess between like December and January because, you know, holidays and deadlines and family and everything. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna jump into it because I'm also in a rush right now because I have to be in uni because it's my first day. So let's see. Ooh, this is a really colorful box. Like, oh no, I scratched it. Well, it's not the end of the world really. So it's really colorful as you can see, and I mean, I think you have the leaflet also, so I'm just gonna try to get it out. You have yourself a first sight of what it's inside, and obviously everything falls all the time. Ooh, I have some hair bands. I actually all the time need these, so I mean, they have a fluffy thing as well, and they are like pink and red. They're quite cute, useful, you know, always in need of that because I have a long hair. So let's jump into the big stuff. I'm really surprised because there are like a lot of products that are quite big. I think it was a plush, and I think it was this one. It was a blush. You know what? Let me check. It's a cushion blush because it's in apricot tinge or copper rose. I do not remember which shade. Apricot tinge I choose. I actually use like a cushion. It looks really nice. It has like the doe applicator, which I do actually use. I've tried the L'Oreal one, the foundation one. So many people complain in general about these kind of like things. I actually quite like them, so I don't know about that. Okay, please remove protective film. Like, let's. Okay, it smells really nice. It smells like a foundation. I'm gonna try to press because it's a blush. I mean, let me just use it since I'm not gonna bother because it has like a protection thing, but I don't have time for that. So I'm gonna take this and literally, you know, just that's how it's quite dense. Like the one from L'Oreal is very like squishy, whilst this one is a bit dense. So let's see. No, it's a highlighter. Ah, I knew it was a highlighter, but it is quite blinding, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this is beautiful. Let's see if it blends out, so I'm gonna switch. But I put like a huge stripe on my face, so I'm gonna try to blend that out with a brush. It's like a rose gold kind of a shade. It's very icy, which, you know, I'm not complaining, but I'm not a huge fan anymore. I used to love them, but now I'm like, eh. But for example, I kind of hate creams, highlighters, and this one seems really nice, but it's a first impression. Like I said, at the end of this month, I'm definitely coming back, trying to use as much as I can the products inside to actually give you a final thought of a month trial. So next thing is pomegranate superfood regenerating cleansing bar, which is massive. I think I got a full size. It retails for £5.90, and the other cushion thing is like 22 pounds, which is a lot, and it's a full size as well. So I mean, I'm just gonna open it. It's pink. I think there are different colors. They have also yellow and white. It smells really nice. I guess it's for like body and face. Yes, just to cleanse your body and face. So you know, we'll see how that one goes on. I'm definitely not gonna finish that in 1 month because that's a lot of product. So this is a tiny shampoo, which is for flaky itchy scalp shampoo. I cannot believe this. Basically, I really have flaky itchy scalp, and I am very excited to try this one out. Hopefully it works, because I'm actually hunting a really good shampoo or conditioner or treatment, because nothing seems to help me anymore. I used to have like oily skin and oily hair, but now I have no idea why. Since I moved in the UK, which is for about 3.5 years, my skin completely went the other way. Like now I have normal to dry skin, and my hair is very dry, and also my scalp is very dehydrated, and I do also have some dandruff because of that. I have no idea what's going on, and I'm not finding any solution, not like a, you know, long-term time solution. I found some stuff, it works for the moment, and then for some reason my hair gets used to it, and I need to change, and I'm sick of it. But yeah, that's a good, you know, for personally, I'm happy. Like, they kind of like, you know, touched my heart, because I really need something to try on for that kind of a problem. Anyways, so the next, this is for 24 pounds, but this is a very tiny one. I think the big size is like 200 mils, and this has 20 milliliters, which, you know, is not that much. You can try it once, and I know for some reason, like to some extent, you can't see fully if it works out, but fingers crossed I can use it at least twice, but I doubt it, because like my hair is really long. Moving on, there's a product for facial micro scrubber. Okay, so because I've seen it here, it seems like a sponge that, oh yeah, it's actually a sponge, and it's for scrubbing your face. I actually have a scrub in my bathroom, and I always use my for review device, and it's so annoying because all tiny particles just get stuck through the bristles, and it's really annoying to clean that out. But yeah, here, see, like that's what I like about Birchbox. You can try like loads of stuff. They might work, they might not, but you pay 10 pounds. This thing is a full size, and it retails for 7 pounds, and I will only pay 10 pounds for something that it's 7, 22, 5.90, and a very tiny shampoo that the big size is for 24 pounds. So yeah, I mean, we'll see how that one goes down, and how it's gonna, you know, stay put, like if it's gonna, you know, get damaged very easily and stuff. And obviously I showed you the Pom hair ties. I showed you that one, but that's like an extra, because that's the 6th tiniest thing you get. And the last but not least, it's a mascara, and I do regret the fact that I've already used a mascara, so I can't put it on my face now. But this is tinier. It's definitely not the full size. The full size retails for 18 pounds, and apparently it's for volume, Punk Volume Mascara. Let's see the actual, wow, I did not expect, this is huge, can you see it? This is completely massive. It's very like, oh. This is actually, I forgot to put underneath. Okay, this is gonna be hard, because this is a freaking massive size for a dofa applicator, like an applicator. I don't think it's a dofa, I have no idea how to call it. Just like the mascara applicator. I mean, I do have very tiny lashes, so it's gonna be fun. I already put some underneath, because I also have tiny over there. Like my lashes are really tiny. So this is gonna be a challenge. As a first impression by how it looks, I'm really scared of it. But you know, I'm gonna try to use it as much as I can and actually come back with a feedback. The reason I did not come back with a feedback for the December box is because I genuinely had so much going on. Not necessarily really important stuff, but you know, family is important. I've been home and I did not get my camera to film with or my tripod and or anything. And to be honest, I'm sure I wouldn't have time because I had to work a bit for my essays, as well as like seeing my friends who I'm not seeing that much here because they're not staying in the UK. So yeah, I mean, so far I'm really impressed by the big sizing I got. Like even mascaras, like I never genuinely mind if I get like a tiny mascara because mascaras are very hard to use up in my opinion. Like I do use them quite often, but because my lashes are really tiny, they don't need that much product, if that makes sense. So I mean, the shampoo, yeah, it might be a bit disappointing because I'm sure like for my hair, because it's so long, they might try to put like bigger sizing. Just like a feedback for Birchbox, it would be better like if I'm choosing hair like long hair, because you can choose that in your account. They could at least try to talk it out with the brand and maybe make like a bigger sizing, because that's I doubt like I'm gonna manage to use it twice, which I would love, because I feel twice is quite enough to kind of like somehow see what's going on with a shampoo. But yeah, I mean, so far so good. I'm really impressed. I'm really curious about this, but I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting, like I was expecting more like literally products. I feel I got like two, you know, accessories. I forgot about this, which I'm a bit scared, and at the same time for first impression looks good. This one, I'm not into like soap cleansing bars things, but I had one in my first ever Birchbox box, so I've used that one up and I really enjoyed it. So you know, it's more about experimenting rather than expecting something in particular, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm definitely pleasantly surprised, because for example with this one, because when I saw it I remembered it because I chose the shade this time. I was expecting, from what I remember in the picture, to be tinier, which, you know, it's something. And I mean the packaging and quality, seriously, if you think about it, you pay £10 and you get so much product. And yeah, if you're a person who really knows what she wants or what he wants, like if you're a person who really knows what you need, that's fine. Like I don't think this kind of boxes are for you. These are more like for people like myself. I really love trying out new things, and sometimes it can be very expensive if I want to buy like bigger sizings, and even if I want to buy smaller sizes, it can be expensive as well. But rarely you can find specific products in smaller sizes, and with this box, you know, you get some stuff that you would maybe not even heard of. And it's very, I don't know, I'm a person who is really into makeup and beauty and stuff, so that's a place where I can start to experiment more for a cheaper price, because you know, I'm not paid. I mean, I'm studying at the moment, so it's very hard for me to always buy big size products and even like think what I should try next with what I should do content. So yeah, I mean, but yeah, this is the box. It looks very colorful, nice. I scratched it because I'm that stupid, but that's fine. I'm gonna definitely put it on top of other ones, and so far so good. I hope you enjoyed this clip. It is useful. I remember when I wanted to subscribe to Birchbox, I really want to see what other people get monthly, so you know, it might give you an idea if you would love it to have it or not. I also have a link down below where you basically can click it and you can register for your first Birchbox box, and if you never ever had it before, you can take £5 off your first purchase of a box. So that'll be amazing for you and amazing for me, because basically if you buy a box and you get that £5 off through my link, I get £5 back. And this is not exclusively for myself. This is a thing, when you get registered for Birchbox, every single user gets it. So yeah, that is it from me for today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. And yeah, subscribe, like, and comment, ask whatever questions you feel to ask, and yeah, follow me at more julypiesqueen, because that's the place where I always upload my pictures of makeup, like arty makeup, and also let you know when I upload. But obviously hit that bell button, because it notifies you whenever I post. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.